Hi, this is Dr. Kevin Keramati. Today I'm going to talk about the cranial nerves. There are 12 pairs of cranial nerves. You can see them on the inferior surface of brain. This is the inferior surface of brain. This area is the inferior part of one frontal lobe, and this is the inferior surface of the other frontal lobe. This here is the inferior surface of one temporal lobe, and this is the inferior surface of the other temporal lobe. These are the two mammillary bodies. This is the optic chiasm. This here is pons. This is the medulla oblongata. This is one lateral lobe, and this is the other lateral lobe of cerebellum. Okay, the first cranial nerve is the olfactory nerve. This nerve originates from the olfactory mucosa of nasal cavity. The olfactory nerve fibers pass through the cribriform plate of ethmoidal bone at the base of cranium. Finally, the olfactory nerve fibers synapse with cells in a structure which is called olfactory bulb. This is one olfactory bulb, and this is another olfactory bulb. From the olfactory bulb, many fibers emerge and make a structure which is called the olfactory tract. This is one olfactory tract, and this is the other olfactory tract. The two olfactory tracts send olfactory nerve impulses to different parts of brain, such as some areas of the cortex, the limbic system, and the hypothalamus. Okay, the second cranial nerve is the optic nerve. These are the two optic nerves. This nerve originates from the inner layer of eye or the retina. The two optic nerves pass through the two optic canals of the base of cranium. Also, the two optic nerves decussate or cross at a location which is called optic chiasm. From the optic chiasm, the two optic tracts emerge and send information to brain. The most visual nerve impulses are first sent to the lateral geniculate nucleus of thalamus, and then from there to the primary visual cortex in the occipital lobes. Some nerve impulses are sent to brainstem. The